Hello everyone, this is NNDL Unit 4, video number 4 as well. So we're starting with a topic called regularization and under constraint problems. Okay, so this is simple. Okay, maybe first we'll start with the example and then we will discuss the concept. Okay, example is the same one. In the first video I've given you the example of a student. Okay, now imagine there is a student who is preparing for an exam, okay, by memorizing some answers. Now instead of understanding these concepts, instead of understanding the concepts, he's just memorized and he's gone to the exam. Now if the exam question changes slightly, okay, the exam questions have changed slightly, the student is going to struggle because he doesn't know the answers, right? Now in the same way, regularization also ensures that whatever model it is preparing, it understands the pattern rather than memorizing the data. Clear? It understands the patterns rather than memorizing the data. Now let's discuss the concept. Okay, so regularization and under constraint problems are nothing but these under constraint problems. Basically they occur only when a model has too many parameters and insufficient training data. Let's do this again. Okay, under constraint problems, usually when do they occur? When a model, okay, when a model is having too many parameters and insufficient training data. Too many parameters and insufficient training data. Clear? Now what happens if you have too many parameters and insufficient training data? It leads to overfitting, right? When you're having too many parameters and insufficient training data, it leads to overfitting. All right, now this regularization techniques, they are going to help by adding some constraints. Okay, what are they going to help us with? Adding some constraints. Why are we adding this constraint? To prevent the model. Okay, this is model that we have discussed. So to prevent this model from, what are we preventing it from? Memorizing the data. Okay, instead of learning the patterns. Now this ensures better generalization to unseen data. Clear? Should we discuss it again? Simple. Now this under constraint problems, they occur when a model has too many parameters and insufficient training data. Okay, what happens? Basically to lead this overfitting. Okay, now regularization techniques, they basically help adding constraints. Okay, why do they help? Basically to prevent the model from memorizing data instead of learning patterns. Now this ensures better generalization to unseen data. Example is student memorizes. Okay, clear? Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe the channel if you haven't, and do like the video if you like it. Thank you.